everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Marcella Carrick and welcome to a cash stuffing Sunday. How is everybody getting on? I hope you're all doing really well. So if some of you are new here, which I see there might be, on my channel we budget, we garden, we do makeup, all while trying to live our best lives and be financially free. So grab yourselves a cup of tea. Today's mug is this one. Hope I don't spill it. But I got this one in Ireland and it says what it says on it. So if you're offended, look away. But it's one of my favourite mugs and it always holds a good cup of tea, which is nearly gone. So this week's cash stuffing, we are going to £300. So let's just double check and make sure we actually have that amount. Because I find that £250 lately is just not cutting it. So we need to go up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1. 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 220, 240, 240, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that is 300 smacarinos. Right, let's go. This is, let me see, we're doing the 300 one, so let's see how we get on. Now this week we are putting only 40 quid into food, just because I think I have another place for the money to go, so it's just one of those things. 40 quid is going into food. Okay, that's that one done. Then childcare is getting, it's 50, and oh, council tax is only getting 40. Where am I going with my 40 for only council tax? Holy moly, that's going to come back to bite me. But anyway, childcare is getting 50. These are the ones that kind of stay the same the whole time. 40, 50. Okay, water is getting 40, which is good because that bill does absolutely kill me. Okay, Argos is getting 20. Is fuel getting anything? Fuel is getting 20 as well. Let's just try and work it in the schedule of the actual book here, because that might help me. Okay, so fuel is getting 20. Very is getting a tenner. Okay, gas and lecky ain't getting nothing. Sports and music is getting 25, and as usual that one's all out, so we'll just put the 20 in for now. I never have the fiver for that. Okay, Argos is getting 20. Good to know. Okay, and that is everything. Okay, this is a very basic one. Oh, but it's the challenge. Okay, it's the challenge this week. That's what's getting all the money. Okay, well, fair enough. I suppose we haven't really touched the challenge in a while. So, okay. Now, do I have any fivers in here? I doubt it. Oh, I do. Okay, so the challenge this week is getting 55. So we'll be putting in 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Holy moly, that's a lot into the challenge. But you know what? It's needed. It's getting thick. And we are going to mark 55 off this one. Do we have a line yet? Nearly. Right, 55. And of course the pen decides not to work. Okay, so there we go. 55 is done on that one. We're doing all right with this challenge. We're getting there. Don't forget to update your trackers. I'll put the link above to where we're going with that. So that's this week's cash stuffing. Again, very basic. Very, very basic, but you know what? It's all done. Everybody's done. Food, childcare, council tax, water, Argos, fuel, very, music, and the challenge. And we put this fiver back into the music one. And that is it. Let me see. Music. There we go, and everybody gets a bit of money. Now, isn't that grand? Isn't that grand? Right. Okie dokie. Now, penny saving challenge. Let's see how we get on with this one. A little bit. £2.52. £2.52. Okay, so can we do a £1.50? £1.52 I can do. Yeah, £1.52 I can do. Okay. What's this thing? Oh, there we go. And again, as I said, don't forget to update your penny saving tracker. £1.52 on that one. And I think we'll have to just keep that pound. We'll carry it on till next time. So that is it. That is today's cash stuff, and not a lot going on. But don't forget to stay tuned for Makeup Monday, Cash Stuffing Sunday, and Vlogging Friday. And I'm also in the middle of filming some Welly Wednesday, so that could be my gardening stuff. and you'll see how I get on. So we're not doing too bad. I mean, compared to this time last year, like, we were doing okay. So guys, I hope you have a great week ahead. Don't forget to keep to your budgets, and I shall talk to you next Sunday for another Cash Stuff on Sunday. Bye! Mwah.